Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourself and simple ways. Today I'm here, I just had to do this video. It's the slickest tool you'll ever want. We have decided because of it, we're going with all Milwaukee tools. And we're not getting paid a dime to do this, but if you can get your hands on one of these for your husband, girls, or guys, if you can get this video into their hands, you're going to see how versatile this tool is right here. It's an amazing tool. I'm blown away with it. It lasts forever, it seems, and it cuts like a dream. With the blade they gave me, I've been cutting everything you can imagine. I can't imagine what it'll be like when we're cutting bolts off of vehicles and whatnot, but this is what we're going with from here on out. Now, we still love our DeWalt buffer, so don't get me wrong, but grab one of these while you can. Julio?
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thanks, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. Get it while you can.